In this media, you will learn about thermite welding process, its applications, advantages, and disadvantages. Thermite welding mainly consists of crucible and mold. The crucible is made up of sheet iron and lined with magnesium in the inner side. Magnesium stone thimble, which provides passage to the molten metal, is fitted in the bottom of the crucible. The crucible stores the thermite. Thermite is the mixture of aluminum and iron oxides. Mold is prepared according to the shape of the workpiece. Before preparing the mold, the wax should be poured into gap, which is to be welded for perfect molding. Mold has pouring gate, riser, and heating gate with cork. After fixing the mold over the workpiece, the thermite in the crucible is ignited at 1200 degrees Celsius. On heating this mixture, the oxides in the iron are liberated, and they combine with the aluminum metal. It is well explained through this chemical reaction. 8Al plus 3Fe3O4 turns into 9Fe plus 4Al2O3. Before melting of metals in the crucible, the wax is melted and the inner side of the mold is dried up by firing using gas welding flame. After firing, the heat gate is closed with the cork plug to prevent the escaping of the molten metal. At 2500 degrees Celsius in crucible, the thermite starts pouring its molten metal through the thimble to the pouring gate in the mold. This molten metal fills the gap in between the workpiece and goes to the riser and the slag basin. The excess molten metal is stored in the slag basin. After solidification of the molten metal, the workpiece will be welded. Finally, mold should be removed, and the extra portion of the weld is removed using grinding wheel. Thermite welding finds its application in repairing railway tracks, welding of crankshafts, large locomotive frames, and so on. Main advantage in thermite welding is that very large surfaces can be welded. Main disadvantage in thermite welding is that only ferrous metals can be welded. Thus, you have learned about the thermite welding process, its applications, advantages, and disadvantages.